Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPAH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. Problem is it was quite the bearish day. In fact, just to use trading terminology, this is what would be known as a gap and trap, meaning the price closed right there on Wednesday. And then today opened up right there. So that was the open. And then after the open, this is where things get really cruel. The price actually moved upwards. Some poor souls were buying up here. And then from that point, it was all bearishness the remainder of the day. So like I said, in summary, the best way to just, put this in a nutshell, just a total gap and trap. And this is also why the level going into tomorrow, in my mind at least, that is really important, is there at $2.40. Why is 240 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but in the event the price were to actually come down to 240 and then just continue on down, at that point, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And like I said, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. And at that point, in my opinion, that would literally put the chart at pump and dump status, meaning think about what that would imply. That would imply that the price made an awesome move right there, and then within a very small amount of time, the price has gone right back to where it was. That is the epitome of a pump and dump. Again, I'm not saying that'll occur because, to be fair, maybe something like this occurs where the price goes down to 240, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. And at least in that point in time, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows right there. And if you envision those as stair steps, you would still have stair steps making progress in the upward direction. So the big picture chart does still have the opportunity to show some signs of progress. But yeah, if it crashes down through 240, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And that's not a good sign of bullishness at all. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.